Imagine a place so cold your breath freezes instantly. The air is so frigid that each exhale crystallizes into a cloud of ice particles, hanging in the air like a delicate mist. This is not just a fleeting moment of cold, it is a constant, unyielding reality, where eyelashes turn to ice crystals, and even boiling water turns to snow. The simple act of blinking can become a challenge as your eyelashes freeze together. Pouring a cup of boiling water into the air results in an instant transformation into a flurry of snowflakes, a mesmerizing yet stark reminder of the extreme conditions. This is Verkhoyansk, a remote town in Siberia known as the Pole of Cold. Nestled deep within the Siberian wilderness, Verkhoyansk is one of the coldest inhabited places on Earth. Its isolation and harsh climate make it a unique and challenging place to live. Here, temperatures plummet to -70 degrees Celsius, testing the limits of human endurance. The residents must bundle up in multiple layers of clothing, often resembling walking bundles of fabric just to step outside. The cold is not just a number on a thermometer, it is a force that shapes every aspect of daily life. Life in Verkhoyansk is a testament to the remarkable resilience of the human spirit. The people here have adapted to the extreme cold in ways that are both ingenious and inspiring. From building homes designed to retain heat to developing unique methods of transportation, their ingenuity knows no bounds. Join us as we journey to this frozen frontier, experiencing the challenges and triumphs of life at the edge of the imaginable. We'll explore how the residents of Verkhoyansk not only survive but thrive in such an unforgiving environment. From their daily routines to their cultural traditions, every aspect of life here is a story of endurance and adaptation. Witness the breathtaking beauty of the icy wilderness and the indomitable spirit of the people who call this place home. This is life at -70 degrees Celsius, where every day is a battle against the elements, and every victory is a testament to human resilience. The sun rises slowly over Verkhoyansk, painting the snow-covered landscape in hues of pink and gold. This remote Siberian town, known for its extreme temperatures, awakens under a sky that seems almost magical. The serene beauty of the sunrise is a stark contrast to the biting cold that defines life here. But the beauty of a new day belies the harsh reality. As the first light of dawn spreads across the snow, it reveals a world where survival is a daily challenge. The picturesque scene hides the fact that temperatures can plummet to below -50 degrees Celsius, making every moment outside a test of endurance. Stepping outside is like entering a giant freezer. The air is so cold it hurts to breathe. Each breath taken feels like tiny needles pricking the lungs, and the simple act of inhaling and exhaling becomes a conscious effort. The cold is not just a sensation, it's a force that shapes every aspect of life here. Metal sticks to skin, and any exposed flesh risks frostbite within minutes. Touching anything metal without protection can result in painful injuries, as the skin instantly adheres to the freezing surface. Frostbite is a constant threat, turning routine activities into potential hazards. Daily tasks like fetching water or chopping wood become monumental challenges. Water sources freeze solid, requiring residents to break through thick ice just to get a bucket of water. Chopping wood, essential for heating homes, is a grueling task that must be done in layers of heavy clothing, making movement cumbersome and exhausting. Yet the people of Verkhoyansk meet each day with a quiet determination, their lives a testament to human adaptability. They have developed unique ways to cope with the cold, from specialized clothing to ingenious methods of heating their homes. Their resilience is inspiring, showing that even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way to endure and thrive. The community spirit is strong, with neighbors helping each other to overcome the daily challenges posed by the extreme environment. This unyielding spirit is what makes Verkhoyansk not just a place to live, but a place to call home. Despite its harshness, Verkhoyansk possesses a stark, ethereal beauty. The landscape, blanketed in pristine snow, stretches endlessly towards the horizon. The air, though frigid, is incredibly clear, revealing a sky ablaze with stars at night. The aurora borealis, a celestial dance of light, illuminates the long winter nights with its magical glow. Even in the depths of winter, life finds a way. Hardy animals like reindeer and Arctic foxes roam the tundra, their presence a reminder of nature's resilience. In Verkhoyansk, clothing is not about fashion, but about survival. Residents master the art of layering, donning multiple layers of clothing to trap precious body heat. Fur hats and thick scarves protect faces from frostbite. Reindeer hide boots, lined with felt and fur, provide insulation against the frozen ground. Even eyelashes can freeze together without proper protection. Every garment, every stitch serves a purpose to shield against the unrelenting cold. Food in Verkhoyansk is about more than just sustenance. It's about warmth and energy too. Traditional meals here are rich in protein and fat, providing the calories needed to combat the extreme cold. Reindeer meat, a staple, is often served alongside hearty soups and stews. Fish, caught from the frozen rivers, provide essential nutrients. And throughout the day, warm drinks like herbal teas and berry-infused water are sipped, offering both comfort and hydration. In the face of such extreme conditions, community is paramount. The people of Verkhoyansk rely on each other for support, sharing resources and looking out for their neighbors. Social gatherings, often held in warm homes, offer a chance to connect, share stories, and find solace in shared experiences. Whether it's helping a neighbor with chores or simply offering a warm smile, every act of kindness strengthens the bonds that hold this community together. Even children in Verkhoyansk exhibit a remarkable resilience. They learn from a young age to navigate the icy streets, bundle up in layers, and appreciate the beauty of their frozen world. School is rarely canceled, even on the coldest days, and children often walk long distances to attend. Their laughter, echoing through the frosty air, is a testament to the enduring spirit of childhood, even in the most extreme environments. Life in Verkhoyansk is undeniably challenging, yet the people display remarkable resilience and resourcefulness. They have learned to adapt to their environment, developing ingenious ways to cope with the cold. Cars are fitted with special heaters to prevent engines from freezing. Houses are built on stilts to insulate them from the frozen ground. And through it all, a sense of humor and a deep appreciation for the beauty of their surroundings prevail. However, even Verkhoyansk, this bastion of cold, is not immune to the effects of climate change. Winters, though still brutal, are becoming shorter and milder. The permafrost, the frozen ground that underpins much of the region, is beginning to thaw, threatening infrastructure and traditional ways of life. The people of Verkhoyansk, once accustomed to predictable extremes, now face an uncertain future. Verkhoyansk, the pole of cold, stands as a testament to the extraordinary adaptability of the human spirit. Nestled deep within the Siberian wilderness, this remote town experiences some of the harshest winters on Earth, with temperatures plummeting to record lows. Yet despite these extreme conditions, life thrives here in ways that are both surprising and inspiring. The stories of its people, their resilience, their resourcefulness, and their deep connection to their environment offer valuable lessons for us all. The inhabitants of Verkhoyansk have developed unique ways to cope with the severe cold, from building specialized homes to creating clothing that can withstand the freezing temperatures. Their daily lives are a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to adapt to even the most challenging environments. As our planet faces an uncertain future, the people of Verkhoyansk remind us that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way. Their ability to not only survive but thrive in such a harsh climate is a powerful example of resilience. They have learned to live in harmony with their surroundings, using the resources available to them in sustainable ways. This is a crucial lesson for us all as we navigate the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation. Their story is a powerful reminder of the importance of community, adaptability, and respect for the natural world. In Verkhoyansk, the sense of community is strong, with neighbors relying on each other for support and assistance. This unity is essential for survival in such an extreme environment. Moreover, their deep respect for nature and understanding of the delicate balance of their ecosystem is something we can all learn from. By observing how the people of Verkhoyansk live, we can gain insights into how to build more resilient and sustainable communities in our own lives.